Imagine this. One day, all humans vanish from Earth suddenly. What happens next? Within weeks, nature starts to reclaim its space. Plants grow over cities, and animals roam freely. It's like Earth hitting the reset button. Without humans, power plants shut down, lights go out, and dams begin to break. Rivers flow wild again, reshaping the land. And at night, the sky becomes a sparkling masterpiece, with billions of stars shining brighter than ever. It's a reminder of how much Earth thrives without us, and how important it is to live in harmony with nature.